Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I want to show you how to download and install Stremio application to your Android TV without using the download application. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So if you want to download the Stremio application to your Android TV, this is what to do, especially without using downloader. Now we're going to be using this application called APK Time. So now the question you should have is, how do you install APK Time to your Android TV without using downloader? In the description of this video, I have added a short link, a short video that is going to help you to install the APK Time application to your Android TV without using downloader. So go watch that video and install APK Time. After installing APK Time, go over to this option here that says Entertainment, the category, and then you browse down to the bottom. Then you're going to see the Stremio application. So once you browse to the bottom, here's the application over here. There are two options. There is one for Fire Stick and there is one for Android TV. So I'll click on download over here and the application is going to start downloading to my Android TV. So just give it a couple of seconds for the application to completely download and then you can install. Now I just want to note this is only going to work on an Android TV or a TV that has an Android operating system. If your TV has a private operating system like Vida, Tizen, Webos, or Samsung TVs, that option is not going to work. You won't be able to sideload applications on these TVs. So this is only possible on Android TV because Android has not blocked us from sideloading applications. So now the application is completely downloading here. Once it's done downloading, we can go ahead and install it to our Android TV. So just give it a second. My network is not the best. You can support my YouTube channel. If you support my YouTube channel, I can get a faster network. So this is it. It is Stremio application or Stremio. I don't know how to pronounce that depending on your accent. Once the application is done downloading, you can just go ahead and install it from here. So just wait a couple of seconds more, and the application is going to be downloaded right now.